With union types, we can give a variable, alias, or function parameter more than one type. Let's define a variable and annotate it with a number, or a string. We use the pipe operator to separate the types. Now we can do something like, union is 10, and the compiler won't complain. In fact, let's log it to the console. We can go back and change union to a string, and it'll work just fine. But there's a problem. Let's remove these, then change the variable to an alias. Now let's define a function that has a single parameter with the union as its type, and log it to the console. We'll also invoke it below, with a string argument. If we save the file, it logs the name just fine because a console log is valid for both types. But what if we want to change the string to uppercase? That's something that can only affect the string, we can't uppercase a number. To fix this problem, we use what's known as type narrowing. We have to narrow down what action to perform for which type. So we can say, if the type of the parameter is a string, make it uppercase. And we'll add a second function call with a number to help the demonstration. If we save and take a look in the console, the name is all caps, and the number shows without issue. Now let's take a look at literal types and how unions can help us with them.